guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make homemade stickers, and these are super simple and easy to make, and you guys probably should have all these materials at your house already. And before we go on to this video, make sure you are subscribed to my channel, give this video a like, and click the bell so you will not miss any of my upcoming videos. And yeah, let's get started. So the materials you will need to make stickers are just basic drawing supplies. So I have some Sharpies here, and then you'll also need some colored pencils or markers, whatever you want, but you can use like whatever you want really. And you'll also need some scissors and a piece of paper, obviously, because what are you going to draw on? And you'll also need, you can use a Sharpie, just a normal black Sharpie, but I like to use like thin pens, so I'm using this pen. But you can also use a thin Sharpie or just a normal Sharpie. And finally, you'll need some clear packing tape. And you guys, you have to like make sure that you're using a clear packing tape, like the wide packing tape, because if you're using a cellar tape or like a thin tape like this one, as you can see here, if you use this, it's not going to work because it's too thin. So you want to make sure you use a wide clear tape, but not like a duct tape or something like that. So yeah, let's get started in the tutorial. So first you want to take your piece of paper and your pen or Sharpie, whatever you're using. You could also use pencil first and draw it, but I'm confident enough, so I'm just gonna use this permanent pen. And just draw out a design, whatever you want, and I'm gonna draw an egg pudding. So I'm just gonna draw the egg pudding, just like that. And now I'm going to draw a face for it. Just like that. So my sticker is actually really small, but you can make bigger stickers if you want. And now I'm going to color it. So I'm going to be using some colored pencils again. But if you don't want to use colored pencils, you could also use crayons or markers or like whatever you want really. And you want to color your design. So I'm going to color the bottom yellow. And then for the top, I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah. For the top, I'm going to color, for the caramel, I'm going to color it brown. So like that. So now that you're done coloring your design, I'm actually going to kind of color more of the yellow because I think the yellow is too light. Yeah. Now, once you're done coloring your design, you want to take your scissors and you want to cut it out. But you don't want to, you want to kind of leave a small space around your design. Like, you don't have to make it too big, but just about this much, a small space around it. And yeah, you just want to cut it out. So I'm going to trim this part a bit as well. So here's how it should look like. Now you want to take some kind of tape, and if you're making like a super small squishy like a sticker like I am, then you could use the sellotape, but I'm just gonna use the clear packing tape. I just think it's gonna, I don't know, I'm just gonna use the packing tape because I think the sellotape is still gonna be too small, so I'm just gonna use the packing tape. and you want to basically, okay, I'm having trouble here finding the end to the to the packing tape, but anyways, okay, I think I found it. So you want to take the tape and you want to cut a piece off, and now you want to use the piece of tape to pick up your design like this, and then you want to cut off another piece of sellotape and you want to, wait, why do I keep on saying sellotape? I mean packing tape. Okay, take your plastic or Ziplock bag, piece, whatever you use, and also put a piece of tape over it. So, just like that. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I put that on. Now you want to take that, your design, since we picked it up with tape, you want to stick it onto that piece of tape onto your Ziplock bag piece, and yeah. So now you want to cut it out, but you want to leave a small space again, and you basically want to just cut it out, really. So you want, but make sure you leave a small space, okay? Okay, so once you're done with that, you want to take some kind of piece of paper that you like. I'm just gonna use this because you just want to take some kind of piece of paper that you want to use, and like this, and then you want to glue your sticker onto that. So don't use like Elmer's glue or anything like that. Just use a glue stick, because I tried using Elmer's glue before and it was too liquidy, and you don't want your glue to be too liquidy. Just use like a glue stick, just like this one. You don't have to use you don't need to use hot glue or anything like that. Just use some kind of glue stick, and then you want to just stick it onto your paper, just like that. So now you're done, and I'm going to go ahead and follow the same, repeat the instructions, and I'm going to come back to you guys when I'm done making the other stuff. Okay guys, so I'm back, and I just made the second sticker, and I made a heart, as you can see. So it's like, I like pudding, like that, you got it? Like, so I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. I know I said it already, but I really want you guys to do it. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!